If you're including full multi-stage paint corrections with every ceramic coating, you're actually losing money. You're not offering a premium service. All you're doing is donating your time and thinning out your profit margins, meaning you can't scale because you're effectively working for less. Now, most customers can't actually tell the difference between a paint enhancement and a full-blown multi-stage paint correction. Now, if you're just a hobbyist and you just like detailing for ego and you essentially just detail for yourself, then this video isn't for you. But if you're actually wanting to grow a profitable car detailing business that focuses on what the customer actually expects as opposed to what you expect, then this video is definitely for you. I'm going to break down, number one, why paint corrections or full-blown paint corrections are actually a problem and why you shouldn't be offering them to every single customer that wants a ceramic coating, and number two, how to sell ceramic coatings and make way more money for your business. Because at the end of the day, a business is only as good as its profit margins, okay? If you are sinking the ship and you're just struggling day in and day out, then no wonder you are stressed. You're not going to survive. Now, in 2026, it's never been more important to streamline your services and become profitable with your car detailing business. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to do that with ceramic coatings, and then at the end I'm also going to lay out a script that I use inside of my business that will enable you to convert way more potential customers into high paying customers with much higher profit margins. Okay, so guys, this is going to be one of the most important videos that you watch this year if you want to be profitable with selling ceramic coating services. Okay, so make sure you stick around to the very end of this video. Each part of this video is just as important as the other. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, I've got this diagram all laid out. I'm going to break this down into little sections to make it as easy as possible to understand. Okay, now I'm not in some flashy workshop or studio. I'm doing this from my office to give you the real raw information, okay, to show you what it takes to go from someone stuck on the tools scraping to get by to someone in my position that manages multiple businesses and doesn't have to work in the workshop on the tools day to day. This is a big headline, a big claim. I know. Stop including paint corrections with ceramic coatings. You're actually losing money and sometimes paint. Okay, the biggest mistake is that customers can't tell the difference between a enhancement and a multi-stage correction. You're donating many hours of your time. Okay, it's taking you much longer to get that extra 20% corrected, okay, and you are actually cutting more of the clear coat, making it thinner, right? So over time it's going to wear out much faster. Okay, these are all big red flags when it comes to paint correction. There's a time and a place for paint correction. I'm not going to say you should not do it at all, but if you want to build a business for profit, you need to take your ego out of the equation, okay, because your ego doesn't equal value, right? Your ego and detailing to your expectation as the detailer is not contributing to the growth of your business. Okay, when it comes to providing a service, we need to meet the customer's expectation. Okay, now, like I said before, if the customer can't tell the difference between a paint enhancement and a 2 or 3 or multi-stage paint correction, why would you offer it to them? Everyday customers do not care about that last 20% of correction, okay? Customers actually want a nice glossy car. They want to see that depth. They want to see the color come out of that paint. They want to see a nice clean finish. They want it to be smooth. They want big obvious defects removed, okay? They want it to quote unquote look new again, like it's just come off the showroom floor. Have a think about what I just said then, like it's just come off the showroom floor. When you buy a car, it has more defects in it than when you go and do a paint enhancement, okay? When you buy a brand new car, it gets put out onto the lot. It gets, it sits out there in the environment. They get the local dealership detailer to wash it, and the methods that they use, very abrasive. Okay, so when you buy a new car, it is essentially already worse than when it is brand new, straight from the paint factory. So that is the condition of paint that we want to get the car to when they buy it from the dealership. That's their idea of perfection. Their idea of perfection is not when it's just been painted and there's literally not one speck of like anything on that paintwork, okay? So understanding what the customer's expectation is really important. Now, like I said, they don't notice that extra 3% clarity that you're trying to aim for. They don't notice micro marring under a swirl light. If you have to get a swirl light out to view the defects in the paint, you're already going to the level that's exceeding the customer's expectation. And don't get me wrong, I think it's important, but you have to protect your profit margins, okay? Now, we're not looking for forum level protection. I know you'll see in the Reddit forums or the car detailing forums, all these crazy old school car detailers that are like wet sanding, rotary, 20 different stages to get that paint looking absolutely brand new again. What is the point of that? The customer doesn't care about it. Okay. Understand what the customer's expectations are, right? Very important. Okay. I want you guys to remember this. If it only shows up under an inspection light, they don't pay for it, okay? They're not going to pay $20,000 for you to work on that car for 20 days straight to get it looking absolutely amazing. The car's probably only worth $50K. They're not going to pay for that, okay? Number one, understand the customer's expectation. What do they want? What do they actually want? Now, I'm going to explain, the certain situations where a customer would want that, absolute crazy showroom finish, completely brand new, okay? But in most cases, it is not necessary. Now, let me give you an example of how your profit margins can increase when you stop giving paint corrections, offering paint corrections with every ceramic coating, all right? You can charge the same amount. Why? Because the customer's expectation is the same, right? If you do a paint enhancement and it comes out glossy, nice and shiny and protected, the customer is just as happy. If you do a multi-stage correction, to them, it looks the same. Like I said, very slight differences. So you can charge the same price, $1,600 for a paint enhancement and a 5-year coating. Takes you 8 hours. You're working at $200 an hour. As opposed to doing a multi-stage correction that's going to take you 18 hours or longer, you end up working for far less than $100 an hour, okay? Eating into your profit margins. And this is before you talk about overheads. Now, if you are working for less than $80 an hour, you will struggle to grow this business. There are obviously some caveats to that, but for the most part, that is a poorly profitable business, okay? More correction doesn't equal a better outcome. Okay, you're just removing more clear coat from the car, making it more vulnerable to future damage. We don't want to remove more clear coat. We want to protect the clear coat. We want to make it durable and protect it for the long term, guys. Come on, we're actually doing more, we're giving more value to the customer by not removing as much clear coat as we possibly can to get every single micro marring out of the paint. Like, it's ridiculous. Guys, more cut removes more clear. More time equals more chance of mistakes, right? Burning through the clear coat. I've done it before. I've been there. I've been that guy absolutely perfecting over every little part of the paint. I've been there, okay? But extra correction without an extra price just equals extra liability, okay? Stop doing surgery when they ask for a haircut. Now, this is where it becomes really important for you as the expert detailer to understand what that customer is truly looking for and then recommend them the best service. If the customer wants a full-blown studio-level showroom finish that takes you 30 hours to complete and they're willing to pay for it, sweet. I'm happy to do that service, but it is going to cost you an arm and a leg. This ain't cheap. This is the structure I recommend you use, okay? The only structure you need, level 1, default, okay? Coating plus enhancement. 3-year ceramic coating, 5-year ceramic coating, you can upsell to a 7-year, whatever, plus a 1-stage enhancement, okay? This includes a decon. This includes a 1-stage enhancement, okay? You remove obvious defects, okay? If you have to do a quick polishing stage afterwards just to remove the micro marring that you've induced from the first stage, fine. It doesn't take long, but we don't need to do 3, 4, 5 stages to get that paint looking absolutely incredible. Okay, it only needs a 1 stage, and then you add a ceramic coating to it. Coating and aftercare. Now, this is an important one. Aftercare. This is where you sell them on the maintenance, right? I can talk about that later. Now, level 2, this is the upgrade, coating plus a 2-stage. They need to pay for this. This is only for genuinely cooked paint, darker colors and higher expectations. Do they want to pay for this? Okay, if the customer doesn't want to pay for this, you opt for an enhancement and a ceramic coating. Now, my example of $1,600 is not going to be true for every location, right? Every location is different. You might only charge $650 or $850 for an enhancement and a coating. Still, it's going to be profitable for you. More profitable than if you are doing a full multi-stage correction. Okay, if they do want level 3, the specialist version of this service, showroom condition, wet sanding, any of that crazy stuff, they need to pay for it. There are limited spots. It's a separate product altogether, and it will cost them thousands, depending on how long you think it's going to take you, okay? And this is a specialized service. When you start getting into wet sanding and full-blown multi-stage corrections, there is more on the line. You're dealing with thinner paint, you're dealing with just more variables, more likelihood of actually damaging the vehicle, okay? So this is where you actually do need to have more experience. That's what you are charging for. Now, I'm going to go through how you can explain this to your customer, and then I'm going to walk you through a script framework that you can use that closes like crazy, okay? So first of all is, you're the detailer. You're the expert recommending the service to the customer. They are not the experts, okay? Think of yourself as a doctor. You diagnose the problem that they have, okay? And then you recommend the required solution, okay, or the recommended solution for them. You want to set an expectation with the customer, okay? Now, I can make it drastically glossier, give it some amazing protection, or I can chase perfection, but perfection is a different product. And honestly, at the end of the day, you're not really going to notice the difference between that extra 20% that it takes you to complete that perfection, right? This comes back to the 80-20 rule as well. 80% of the work can be completed in 20% of the time. So basically what this means is if it takes you 2 hours to complete a paint enhancement, okay, to get to 80% level perfection, it's going to take you another 8 hours, right, to get to that last 20% perfection. Okay, now this is just an example, but the 80-20 rule applies here, right? Enhancement equals a gloss boost plus noticeable improvement. A 2-stage equals deeper defect removal. And a showroom finish is time intensive. It's a premium priced service, okay? Let's go through the script because this is going to absolutely change the game for you. This is how you sell ceramic coating services with paint enhancements, okay? This is how you take control. Always need to be taking control of the conversation, okay? Sweet. Before I throw any prices at you, I just want to make sure I recommend the right option. Are you mainly wanting maximum gloss, easy cleaning, or long-term protection? You need to figure out what they're actually looking for, okay? Can you actually help them to begin with, right? Then you diagnose and qualify. Sweet, got it. And is the car mostly a daily driver, more of a weekend car, or is it just sort of parked in the garage long term, right? You're getting an idea on, the type of vehicle that they have and then obviously how often they use it, okay? Is it parked outside? Is it in a garage? And then you go into what annoys you most about it right now? Is it the swells, the water spots, or it just never looks clean, okay? And then you need to set the expectation, okay? Perfect. Just so you know, there are 2 different results that people confuse. Gloss and a big visual improvement, which is what most people want and can afford, or showroom level correction, that is perfection chasing and it's a slightly more premium service. Which one are we sort of looking for? 9 times out of 10, they're going to say, I just want it to look glossy, I want it to look amazing, I want it to look shiny, and I want it protected, okay? Perfect. Well, based on what you've said, I recommend our 5-year ceramic coating plus enhancement package. We'll do a full decontamination, then a light polish to bring the gloss up and remove the obvious defects. Then we'll apply the 5-year ceramic coating. Does that sound like what you're looking for? Always ask that question. You want them to then respond with a yes. Cool. You can explain the benefits. You don't always have to do this, but the benefits include it stays cleaner for longer, washing becomes quicker and safer, better gloss, easier to maintain, right? Protection against the elements long term, okay? So the 5-year coating and the paint enhancement package is XYZ. You reveal the price. Now, there's 2 ways you can approach this. As soon as you reveal the price, you either go quiet. You don't say anything. You just become silent. Okay. You let them react. All right. This is normally the approach I recommend most. The second option is you can actually start to anchor the other 2 services and put those prices in their mind, and then they're always going to fall back on the cheaper price. Okay. Cool. So if you want a deeper defect removal, the 2-stage correction upgrade is $2,000. And if you want true showroom protection, that sort of starts around $3,000 or so, but we need to come out and actually give a formalized quote and then work out what you need. It's a different level of time, and there's also a little bit of risk involved with that service as well. Then you become quiet, and they're always going to default to the cheaper option, the paint enhancement, the glossier paint, the long-term protection, okay? And if it's priced at market rate, even if it's more expensive than market rate, they're going to fall back on this service, okay? You go with that. Then how I book it in, I essentially ask them what day they prefer. I give them 2 options, and then I go ahead and lock them in. And then I go through some objections down here. Now, if you do want the full script, I'll put it in the description below. I won't gatekeep it at all. You can actually just go and download it straight away and use this in your business today, okay? So just to recap, you do not need to offer multi-stage corrections to every customer. Number one thing you can do is find out what the customer's expectations are. What do they truly want with their vehicle? Okay. Most of the time, it's going to be paint enhancement. They want the car looking glossy. They want the paint looking glossy and long-term protection. Okay, you can sell that at a premium. All right, it's actually going to make it easier to sell this service as well because you've streamlined everything. You can focus all of your energy on selling this service as opposed to juggling multi-stage correction, 2-stage correction, 3-stage. Doesn't need this, doesn't need that. Can you send photos through? So, hope you guys found the video valuable. Please subscribe, it really helps, and I'll see you in the next video.